Welcome to this video in our Do It in DiveTab series. DiveTab is an app that Dimensional Insight developed for data analysis. It can be customized for any company, but right now I will show you how you can review your distributor's new and lost accounts using our standard report named New Lost Accounts. As a supplier, it is sometimes hard to get good insight into the rate at which accounts are being lost on a regular basis, because new accounts can be replacing the lost accounts, making them less noticeable. Let's go to the report. But please keep in mind that these sales numbers are not real. They have been made up for demonstration purposes. The first thing I will do is change the main dimension on the left to be distributor. When analyzing new and lost accounts, I prefer comparing the most recent 3 months to the prior 3 months, so I will expand the column named R3 Case Compare. I know that it is normal for distributors to lose some accounts and gain some accounts. What I am wondering is whether my distributors are losing or acquiring an unusually large amount of accounts. For this, I will compare the total number of accounts each distributor sold in the prior time period to the number of accounts each distributor sold into both the prior time period and the current time period. The column LR3 represents the prior time period, meaning the 3 months before the most recent 3 months. The column Repeat Accounts shows how many accounts purchased in the prior time period and in the current time period. If the number of repeat accounts is close to the number of accounts in LR3, then the majority of accounts are being kept, not lost. In this hypothetical data, distributors retained about 73% of accounts on average. Knowing that a 27% loss is average across our hypothetical distributors, we can see if any distributors pop out as having a greater rate of lost or retained accounts. Near the top, you can see that Allen S. Go in East Hartford had 278 accounts in the prior time period, but only 141 purchased from them again in the current time period. As a supplier, I would want to find out why they lost 49% of accounts and what they plan to do to stop losing accounts. As I scroll down, we can see that West Tennessee Distributing has retained 96% of accounts. That is a distributor I would definitely want to keep and maybe even expand with. Of course, the sad truth is that lost accounts are sometimes due to a failing product. Watch our video on reviewing new and lost accounts for brands to learn about that. If you're interested in learning more about Supplier Advisor, please visit Dimensional Insight at www.dimins.com.